All right, so the next type of database we'll look at in Notion are lists. So again, we'll go slash, start typing lists. You actually have a few different things here now. You have to-do lists and bulleted lists and all that, but we want these database lists. So again, you can do inline. We'll do a full page. We'll call it list example. And as I mentioned earlier, this is essentially like a board just with fewer things on it. So it, again, starts you with 3 pages. You can add other tags and things in here. We could make a sample tag, for example, have that tied to it. And that shows up on the side here. So this gets interesting, again, with the properties and choosing what you want to see. This also has a created field in here, so we can see when it was created and the tags for it. It'll kind of fill it up. So again, it's almost making a board, but without some of the grid lines in it. So I don't see a lot of advantage there. There's certainly some cases for it. I've used it a few times, but not a lot. But that's basically what a list is. It's just a simplified version of a board, but everything still works the same. And I think you're starting to see that through these different types of databases. You can go in here, and these things on this top, when you pull it up, are the same no matter what kind of view you have in the front, whether it's a board or a table or a list or a calendar or whatever. When you go into an item, it's always going to look like this. You can always add more properties. It's the same type of properties. And that's the beauty of Notion, is that the database itself is still structured the same. And this list is just really a way to view it. And we'll talk more about views because, again, that can be quite powerful. But this is what a list view looks like, and maybe you have some ideas on how you want to use it, but hope that's helpful for that.